Hello everyone. In this video we'll walk through a VBA macro that divides a large dataset in an Excel sheet into smaller, more manageable chunks, each containing a specified number of rows. This sheet contained total 13,059 rows. This macro will help organize your data efficiently, making it easier to work with and analyze. Let's dive into the code and see how it works step by step. Go to Search Bar and search VBA. Then click on Micros. Give a micro name and press Create button. New micro window is now open. First, we declare the variables needed for the macro, including the total number of rows, rows per sheet, number of sheets, and loop counters. We set the source worksheet as the currently active sheet in the Excel workbook. Next, we define the number of rows per sheet, which in this case is set to 1,500. We determine the total number of rows in the source worksheet using the useRange property. Based on the total number of rows and rows per sheet, we calculate the number of sheets required using the ceiling function. Now, we start looping through each sheet that needs to be created. Now for each iteration, we add a new worksheet after the last sheet in the workbook and assign a name to it. Now we calculate the start and end rows for the current sheet based on the rows per sheet and the current iteration. To ensure the header row is included in each sheet, we copy it from the source sheet to the first row of the target sheet. Next, we copy the data rows from the source sheet to the target sheet, starting from the second row. After copying the data, we auto-fit the columns in the target sheet to ensure all data is visible. The loop continues until all sheets are created and populated with data. Once the loop finishes, the macro execution is complete, and all data has been divided into separate sheets. You can check through counts. You can change the rows also, like 1000. Here last sheet is divided into 1060. The total sheet rows are 1060.